Hi everyone, this is Calvin, Professor C here. So today I want to show you how to claim the Toronto vacancy declaration. So in front of you is the official website for City of Toronto, and I will post the link in the description for the YouTube. So it is actually very easy, but let me show you step by step how it is going to, you're going to declare the status of your Toronto property. So come here to this website. First, you need the access roll number from your bill, Toronto property tax bill, or otherwise you can have that number. They have sent you a notice on it. You also will have the number. So anyway, let me first key in this. Then you need the customer number, which is also on your Toronto tax bill or the notice that they sent it to you. Then you have to declare whether you are the registered owner or on behalf of the owner. So we are the owner. Now we have to enter our phone number. And you can also have the email address, which is optional. Okay, so they will ask you, is this property your own principal residence? And if yes, then you click yes. For me, this is not my principal residence. Then you have other option. They will say, is the property occupied by a permitted occupant, which is kind of like your, let's say your parents or something like that, or your kids, right? Those are permitted occupants. Or is it tenanted or combination of none of the above? If you choose none of the above, that means the property is vacant and you need to pay the 1% vacancy tax. For us, it is tenanted. We have rented to our tenant. Then you go to the bottom. And that's it. Okay,